Cardiff Metropolitan University has been working with Traveline Cymru since 2007, and during that period we estimate we've offered travel advice via Traveline Cymru to approximately 23,000 students. For the past 15 years, Cardiff Met has worked in collaboration with Cardiff Bus to produce a service called the Met Rider. Now, the Met Rider is a service which links all our campuses, all the halls of residences and all the local residential areas. It's a bus service which the students can not only use the university buses, but they can also use any Cardiff bus service throughout Cardiff. The bike user group currently stands at over 290 members of staff who are active members, and through this they have access to all-weather cycle shelters, and every so often we hold a promotion where staff, if they cycle to work, get free breakfasts for that week. The advice from Traveline Cymru comes in many formats. It's come via the web, it's come as posters, and it's come as hard material. As a university, we strongly recommend any other businesses watching this film to get in touch with Traveline. Not only will they offer you help and support, but they will also tailor their services to your specific needs.